Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the jack socket, the headphone jack, in a Samsung Galaxy J5 phone. We need a round brush like this, one that gets wider, about 3 centimeters long, so that we can clean the entire socket properly. We need isopropyl alcohol 100% pure, so that it first softens the dirt for us, cleans the contacts, and then evaporates without leaving any trace. You can buy the whole set, both the diffuser and the brush, on Allegro or Amazon as a kit like this. Unfortunately, there's no other way to clean it because other tools or brushes won't reach as precisely and won't clean the entire socket for you. The very first thing you absolutely have to do is turn off your phone. It must be turned off. Never clean your phone while it's turned on. Thoroughly moisten the brush with alcohol. Take it in your hand. Here we have the headphone jack socket. Insert the brush all the way in as far as it will go and turn it to the right 5 times. Now carefully turn it to the left 5 times and then gently pull it out. You should repeat this entire process about 5 times, which will result in roughly 50 repetitions in total, just to make absolutely sure that the socket is perfectly clean and free of debris. Afterwards, set the phone aside for about 10 to 15 minutes to let the isopropyl alcohol evaporate from the socket. You can then turn the phone on and use it as normal. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. I'd appreciate it if you could give a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in my next video.